on our healthcare system.
Obamacare did a multitude of things in the healthcare world, including expanded Medicaid, protected people with pre-existing conditions, and allowed children to stay on their parents' insurance until the age of 26. More than 20 million people depend on Obamacare for health care. Dr. Reagan Anderson says given that we are in the middle of a pandemic, scrapping the law would be dangerous.
It would be atrocious if this were allowed to happen. I'm not saying the constitutionality of it would be atrocious, but right now you have to have the right timing and you have to have a plan to move forward the moment if you're going to strike something this big down.
Ironically, the state leading the lawsuit is the state with the most uninsured people, Texas, and Potter County ranks in the top 10 for uninsured counties in the state. Without Obamacare, about 1 million more people in Texas would be without health insurance.
Justice Roberts and Kavanaugh both said yesterday, look, if in 2017 they were going to throw out the whole bill in Congress, they would have.
So based on the Supreme Court's conversation, it might not be the time to throw out the Affordable Care Act. But Dr. Anderson says it's a time for lawmakers to come together and do what's best for the country.
Well, I think one of the big things that is not working well is pre-existing conditions because it's a blanket statement. So right now in America, between 50 and 85% of all healthcare dollars that are spent treating diseases that we could have prevented had we been living healthfully.
With a new president taking a seat at the White House, eyes will be on Joe Biden to see if and what changes he makes to the legislation. Reporting in Amarillo, Morgan Durden, ABC 7 News.